Hey guys, welcome back. I just got my box for Not Just for Boys Kit Club for, drumroll please, September 2021. So it comes in a nice sturdy pizza box, which is great since they like to chuck packages everywhere. The nice little tie, and you can always find a way to make these work with your little tags and goodies that you come up with in your kit. So I will do the add-ons. I will do, all right, so first video I'll do. Why don't I organize in my head? First video that I'm going to do will be for the premium kit, which is called Enchanted. Such a cute name. So I'll do the Enchanted kit. Then I will do the theme kit, which is called School Days. Then I will do the page kit by Merity and all of the add-ons. So let me get these goodies out. I'll be right back and we'll unbox the premium kit. I'm so excited. Alrighty, Roo. So when it comes to the main kit, I do get the second set of pattern paper because it never fails. If you only get one set, you end up just like kind of freaking out because you don't know what side to use. So I have, luckily enough, 2 sets. So let me start with the first paper that I have here. It is from 49 and Market, Vintage Artistry Essentials, and it's called Virtue. So this is kind of cool. Let's see. So we've got leafy bits. I think those are gorgeous, and they want me to detail cut them all out. We've got, it looks like a letter with a doily. So all kinds of goodness there. And put that right there. Let's see what the backside looks like. This paper is so like thick and sturdy. It's amazing. Ooh, absolutely gorgeous background piece. And this has a lot more of this green tone. It has all of these good texture bits, and it looks like watermarked. And yeah, there's even like some book text up in there. Super cool pieces of paper so far. Awesome. All right, so the next one is from Bo Bunny, Stay a While, which this is like this indigo, like tone on tone kind of vibe. That is pretty. They find the coolest stuff to go with these kits. And this one is called Neighbors. So it's from Bo Bunny, Stay a While, Neighbors. So super bold stripe. I usually like my stripes going this way. And guys, look at this great like chartreusey green. Cool. Great. The next one is by Prima, Midnight Garden Collection. And does it have a name? Oh, Feather Collector. So we've got metallic goodness, so it's very dramatic. It's almost like a coppery kind of a color. So super gorgeous, textured behind it with 5 bazillion feathers that I will be, detail cutting all of those out as well, because I can't help it. Ooh, so this side, another super great background in this gray-green tone, and it's super textured, and it's got like mucky black bits, and that'll be so fun. All right, so my next one, it is Bo Bunny, Back to Basics, from Stay a While again, and we're getting that same green, but it's in a brick. That is, I want to make sure we can see them all. That is pretty awesome. The back side of this one, oh, that's pretty. So deep mulberry color with, let me bring it up closer. Look at all the leafy bits with that really gorgeous green and these little like berry branch thingies. It's called Relax. That is gorgeous. Ooh, this is fun. Okay, my next one. Ooh, I like the branding strip. So let me flip it like this. So this is 49 and Market Old School, and it's called Off the Grid. So you've got this great grid, looks like a graph paper, but you have, it looks like really old papers that have been scuffed up about a bazillion times. And then there's like some math formulas and cool stuff like that. And then the back side, I am so vibing. So you've got the graph paper. It looks like a big stack of papers that got wet and you were peeling off. So this is all the cool stuff left behind. But look at how this indigo-y purple color is coming through. Oh, I can't wait to design with this. Okay, next we have Prima, again, Midnight Garden Collection. This one's called Traveling Tickets. So guys, if you like to cut things out, there are so many like die cut embellishments just on this one page. And we've got that gorgeous coppery color again. And the back side, look at it, says Piccadilly Circus. Cute. Oh, super usable background. Tone on tone aqua, and there's like feather shapes and some branches and goodness there. I feel like I need to just shimmy some in just a little bit. All right, so next one is, it's Prima Marketing Nature Lover Collection. Ooh, that's pretty. And beautiful foliage. So it's this gorgeous blue tone, picks up really nicely with this one. And you can detail cut them out. You can use as is. We've got a really nice like stamping in gold. That is, do you see how pretty that is? Ooh. Okay. And then the back side is this really great pale, like, kind of like a banana yellow with white imperfect dots. So that's kind of a cool, like, different color to bring in. I had to move my coffee cup. All right, so I have that. Now I have one more, or actually two more, you know, because I have doubles. And to get the second set of pattern paper, you got to order it separately. Both don't come with the kit. All right, so this is Jen Hadfield Peaceful Heart. Ooh, a piece of peaceful heart. And keep going, keep growing. So it's that off-white color, and then there's all of these little leafy bits. Cool. And I need to scrunch in again because somebody gets too much paper. And then the back side of that, oh, these are like these awesome journaling spots. And look at that branding strip, by the way. So all kinds of bits, really great to start your embellishment clusters. Oh, gorgeous. Yay. Okay, let's see what comes with this kit, shall we? Shall we? Let's do the alpha first. Let me get my goodies, trying to unearth them. All right, so the alpha, which is a cool pick, it's from P13. And it's this really deep plum color. So it's going to look just stunning with these papers. So super deep, and they are, it's a flat alpha with a little bit of a satin sheen on it. Awesome. Then the next thing, I'm just grabbing things as they go. We have this big old pack of thickers. They're called Casey. They're foil foam letter stickers. So perfect for titles and then like secondary titles with the flats. All kinds of good words like love, family, home, thanks, my friend. And look at the leafy bits. I've really been liking leafy bits lately, so it's kind of awesome. So lots of great sentiments. I'm sure we can come up with cool stuff there. Next. Oh, this is cool. These are from P13 and they're called the Four Seasons Autumn Stickers #1. So look at the colors. So these are like a, I mean, it's not like cream. It's just like this really great like bone color with nice teal colored words and like a deep bricky red. And this is almost like a mac and cheese orange. So super great. Lots of great fall sentiments. And then they're on white as well. And the cool thing is, like, it's not just flat white. It's like there's pattern in there. So very, very cool. About a bazillion different sentiments for layering. All right, so we have a stamp set. And you know how I like the no waste packaging. So it's the word fall and the word magnificent. And then you can put all these words. So you can have like fall stories, fall moments, or magnificent traditions, magnificent leaves. Like seriously cool. These would look really cool embossed. I don't know why, but I feel like it would. All right, so great stamp set. Next, here is our cut file. And are they separate or are they one? They're feathers and they're kind of, oh guys, they're cool. So we have feathers and, you know, a piece of gray cardstock. Oh, all right. So they're two separate feathers. I was just seeing if they were connected. So, and they're like, they have movement to them. That's awesome. Next, We have a stencil from Tim Holtz, and it's amazing. It's picking up the brick. So it is Stampers Anonymous Layering Stencil, and it's called Bricked Layering Stencil. That would make sense. Super cool stencil. I can't wait to see what the DT comes up with this. I'm sure it's going to be kind of awesome. Kind of awesome. Then we have, ooh, guys, these are cool. Let me get them out. I think they're metal leaves that match the colors in our kit. And they're little. So they're going to be great for adding a little something something to your clusters. So I have this gorgeous green one, aqua, a plummy one, gray, black, bronze, and teal. Those are awesome. And look at how they're different. They're so cool. Oh, I have no idea like what pictures I'm going to be scrapbooking, but I just want to do them. This is awesome. And then finally, we have a set from Pretty Little Studio, and it's called Grateful Heart. And it says all the feels, frames, and tags. So I gotta show you like the goods. Oh, it's so awesome. I want to see such pretty colors. Oh, and there's a couple little pieces that are trying not to come out. Guys, the packaging from Pretty Little Studio is super. Come on. You are not allowed to stay in there. Guys, it's hateful. Come on. Like, it's seriously. All right, the word love is staying in. There's a word love that does not want to come out. So we have little tiny word sentiments. We saw the word love, grateful, falling for you, hello fall, dreaming of fall, gorgeous little teal heart, and a banner piece. Look at this gorgeous frame here, which would be perfect to make a shaker pocket. Look at this little coffee cup, and it has a little heart in the middle, and another banner piece. Gorgeous. It's like an orchid color. Little frame. We've got a teal gingham frame. This one's cool. It's like a burnt sienna tone on tone with polka dots. A fab plaid. That would be a great color for a shirt. Ooh, so this is like into the black and deep green. And it looks like on the bottom, it looks like it's florals and chalk. That's cool. Little circle that reads autumn, autumn things, a blue frame, lovely days ahead, and this beautiful orchid, a little tag, a yellow tab. Then we have a tab in the pink and purple tones. This tag here with all of the colors from that collection. This is a bit more of a watercolor vibe. Oh, look at this cute little heart. A little blue heart. And then finally, we have got a plaid frame. Not frame, tag. That's called a tag right there. So that is the gorgeous, amazing, Enchanted collection. So I'm going to put all of these goodies aside. I am going to get out the deluxe theme kit, and I'll see you on the next video.